So guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to trade the 85% accurate supply and demand strategy that hardly failed. Okay, it's a very simple concept. Okay, so guys, this is my Telegram group, right? You can see where I share most of my signals using this same concept I want to show you guys. So guys, it's a free Telegram community. You can join. Okay, the links are at the comment section of the video and also at the description with the video. So do your best to join us and make money with us for free. Okay, let's go. So guys, now you can see, guys, you can see most of the signals here are all what moving toward take profit. Okay, yeah, I do take losses, but losses as less, right? Just like my last month's result, I shared my result all in the Telegram group. I had no single trade that hit my stop loss, only a trade that closed in a particular loss just for what last month. Okay, so guys, let's go. Now guys, let me walk you guys through the concept as we move forward. Okay, let's go. Perfect. So guys, these rules you guys are seeing up here is the rule we are going to use to take this trade. Okay, this rule up here. Now guys, the first thing you need to understand is to what identify of what of trend. Okay, we are taking this strategy in any time frame. I'm going to show you the other. This is a what is sell trade. We are taking live. Okay, the other one is a buy trade on card JPY, which it will be the 4-hour time frame. So any time frame you can apply it. The concept is the same. Okay, just understand it and move forward. Okay, so guys, let's go now. Guys, clearly, what are you seeing here? So the first thing you need to do is to what identify of what of trend. Okay, so guys, now how to identify trend, I'll show you guys also in this video as we move forward. Okay, then the second thing is what a break of what of structure, then what recent imbalance, very very important. This is a key thing for the what the supply and demand what strategy, then what pullback, then what entry confirmation. Okay, so guys, let's go now. Guys, this is a trade on what on euro USD. I want to execute. This is how I took this one. So this is what a new analysis you are going for another trade. Okay. I also took this one in the Telegram community group. So guys, let's go. Now, maybe. All right, guys. So let's go. Now, guys, clearly, what are you seeing on this? Right? As you can clearly see, now the market is what is trending to the downside. Remember, our first rule is to identify of trend. Okay. So our first rule is identify of trend. Now, how do you identify trend? You just need a simple face like this. Whenever price is going like this on any time frame, that time frame is bearish, right? When you see lows, high, lows, high, that time frame is bearish. So now in the 30-minute time frame, this market is what is bearish because we are seeing the market moving in a series of lows, high, low, high, you can see moving. So the market is what is bearish. If you go to the H1 time frame, H4, you are still seeing this. The market is also bearish in that time frame. Okay, so rule number one met, right? Perfect. Now, what do you need? You need what a break of what of structure. So, guys, for me, whenever I'm trading this strategy, I want to see price to break a structure in its recent movement. So guys, I just observed that price have break structure in this level, right? We need what a break of structure. So let me zoom out clearly. Okay, let me zoom out. Okay, so guys, you can just see price what breakout structure, right? This move break out of what of this structure. Now the market is what should be continue bearish. Okay, now what do we need? We need, I said, what recent imbalance, right? Now this recent imbalance, you need to understand which price break that price have not feel. If you can observe this level, some say this level. No, this is the main level here. It become our hidden level. This is the structure here. Because when price move with this leg, let me draw this so you guys understand clearly. Okay, when price move with this leg from here, price come down like this, the price need to fill this place, but price fail to fill this place, rather price come like this and break a structure here. So this place now will become our hidden supply level, right? Now, why it's hide back of this place? Okay, so what we expect price to what, to drop from that level. So guys, make sure you stick, guys. Make sure you stick to the end. And guys, if you are picking value, make sure you like this video and ask me any question in the comment section. Okay, perfect. So guys, let's push price and see. Okay, now you can see this is where I got my imbalance. Your imbalance need to be below, need to be above, sorry, above the last level, that leads to your break of structure. Okay, you can see this level lead to what, to this break of structure. So now this place will become our imbalance because price have not go back and tap the structure. Price rather just continue down. So let's use the replay to move price. Okay, right, let's push price. Boom. So guys, let's push price. Okay, and this is our pullback, right? So this is the pullback, right? We want to see price. So be patient, guys. No matter what price is doing, don't be tempted to enter the market. Okay, we want to see price to push, right? We want to see price. Price have not yet tapped. Boom. All right, guys. You can see price have just what, tapped. Now, but you can see what price did here. Why is that place very, very powerful, right? You can see a lot of people want to sell at this level. So we said, okay, we put in our what, our stop loss here. Let me look for the short risk to reward too. So we enter here. We said, okay, since this is the what, the high, right? They said, okay, they will enter here and maybe put their limit order here, then put stop loss above this range, right? What happened? Price just what, weak them out. Okay, price what, weak them out. So price know that what, it need to fill this place. Even when it fill this place, this price will drop massively, right? Now let's go and see. So you can see price just what's up. So let's go to push price, guys. So at this point, I just need my entry confirmation. No need to push price forward. So at this point, I just normally go to the what, 5 minutes time frame. Okay, my entry confirmation is at the what, 5 minute time frame, guys. So let's go to the 5 minute time frame. Okay, all right, guys, we are in the 5 minutes time frame. Perfect. Now, when taking entry, you need to understand something. You need to understand the trend that take price your point of interest, because that imbalance is our point of interest. So we're having price moving like this, those price moving like this, so price moving like this, price moving like this, price moving like this, price still coming and moving like this, right? Now, I want to see price to break this low here before I get any entry. I want to see price to break this low here, right? If price break this low, then it give me a what, a strong edge for a what, an entry confirmation. So let me take this. It become this level. Okay. So if price did not break it, then price should create another level again and break it. So let's see. This is how to think as a trader. So let's see, guys. We are executing this live. Okay. So let's see. That's crazy. So guys, we are moving. So let's push price. All right, let's see, guys. Boom. So guys, price just gave us another tap again. Now, which structure we have next? We have this structure here, right? because price went and what create another one here. So these are the last buyers that push price, not these guys again, right? Because before is this one that push price higher. Right now we have this one's pushing price higher. So let's see if price will break. Immediately when price break, that's where I'll get my entry confirmation. Boom. At this point, that's where you need to what get your entry confirmation. Okay. So sometimes I do sell immediately. Sometimes I wait for a break of structure. Because when you wait for a break of structure phase like this, let me show you guys this very, very powerful concept. When you wait for a break of structure concept like this, now you are getting a better entry. But when you sell like this, you are getting a trade with a good risk to reward. Because not all time price will form a break of structure pattern. So just put your stop loss above, guys. Above, guys, above. Very simple concept. Right, let's see. Just going down. So guys, let's push price and see. So not all time price. So I can just enter aggressively. You can see price just what choose to spike down immediately. You can see price just what spike down immediately. Okay. So now I believe that at this point you'll be in break even full TP hit. So guys, you can see full TP hit on this, right? Now let's look at the other example on what GBP on what on card JPY. Okay. Okay, guys. This is the swing trade on what on card JPY that I'm talking about. Okay. Let me take out this, take out it from here. Then let me delete this. Okay. Perfect. All right. Perfect, guys. Let me also take out this. Let me just leave this one. Okay. Perfect. Let me zoom out, guys. Now, I said this concept you can apply it to any time frame of your choice. Okay. Just understand the model, how the pattern work. Right. It's a simple pattern. You just need market to give you a face like this, like this. Price to what break a structure like this. Then this point here become your what your area of value. Okay. So very simple concept. So here, this is what the structure it broke. Then this is what the sweep of what the liquidity here. Then price tapping your imbalance. Then you buy. Okay, guys, let's go. Now, perfect. So guys, as you can see, this is it. Now, understanding it again. First of all, we need to identify of what of trend. Okay, perfect. Now, where is your trend, guys? If you can see, this is our trend. Okay, the market is what is bullish. We have price moving highs, low, high, low, higher high, higher low, and higher high. So this one automatically is a what an uptrend. Okay, perfect. Now rule number two say we need a break of what of structure. So what are you seeing? Have you seen any structure that has been broken? Zoom out clearly, guys. Yes, price broke out of what of this structure here. This move here break out of what of this structure. So what did you need next? Now you want to see price to what to pull back. Price to what to pull back. Okay. So this is your word, your pull back. Now this place here. Sorry guys, I missed a step. This place here. Here. Now remember, if you can see when price break this level, price fail to tap here. Yes, this price need to tap this level. Price need to what? Tap this level here. Price need to tap this level. But price fails to tap this level. Rather, you just come here, then just go up immediately. Now, immediately when price do something like this, at that point, that's where you need to pay interest in this level. This place will become your what? Your hidden support, sorry, your hidden supply and what and demand level. Okay, so since it's a buy, it's become a what? A demand level. Okay, so now I want to see price to come back to that level. Now you can see how I plot my zones from the wick to the body. So let's push price and see, guys. Boom. Also, it's so fast. Okay, perfect. You can see when price just came in and tap, what happened? This one is for those who even traded engulfing candle. You can see without even going to the 5 minute time frame, everything is clear. You can buy here with your what? Engulfing candle. But I don't trade engulfing candle. So for those who trade it, oh sorry, oh let's just go with it. Okay, so let's see, guys, what happened. You can see, boom, price move up to the upside so powerfully. So this is a what? A very strong concept every trader needs to understand. Okay, so guys, meet you in my next video, guys.